It could be an interesting day on the island, as geologist Terry Matheson, surveyor Steve Guptill, and Oak Island historian Paul Troutman continue monitoring the core drilling operation in borehole 8.5 and 13.5. Since encountering a mysterious 10-foot void at a depth of 55 feet just one day ago, the team has decided to keep drilling below the 100-foot level in hopes of once again encountering the wooden tunnel that may be heading toward the nearby garden shaft. As Terry examines the core sample, Steve observes that the material still looks loose, and Terry agrees, noting that while the top seems firm, the rest is loose and disturbed, a sign they might be close to a structure. However, without chunks of wood to provide definitive evidence, Terry admits they can't yet confirm the presence of the tunnel. Meanwhile, Paul notices something intriguing and alerts the others to check out the garden shaft, where bubbles are seen rising to the surface. Terry identifies air bubbles near a rare rock, and Steve confirms they are transmitting pressure from the drill rig along a tunnel to the garden shaft, suggesting a possible connection to a tunneling system. Excited by the potential, Paul sends a text to inform the rest of the team, and they decide to collect water samples from the garden shaft for analysis by geoscientist Dr. Ian Spooner, hoping to find evidence of precious metals. When Rick joins the team to discuss their findings, Paul shares that the area near the garden shaft shows significant disturbance at depths of 108 to 115 feet, though no wood was found. Rick, intrigued by the discovery of air bubbles escaping from the garden shaft, acknowledges it as a promising indication of voids or tunnels below. The team agrees that this area is one of the most interesting they've investigated in years, and emphasizes the need for a plan to explore it further. Rick encourages the team to keep drilling, confident that they are on the right track. The next morning, the excitement continues as Rick highlights the significance of the garden shaft, reminding the team that previous water samples from the area contained traces of gold. In the war room, Rick, Marty, Craig, and other members gather for a meeting with representatives from Dumas, a company specializing in underground exploration. Doug introduces the team, and the Dumas representatives present their vision and methods for rehabilitating the garden shaft, offering a new and promising approach to uncovering the secrets buried deep in the money pit area. With anticipation building, the team looks forward to the possibilities this new collaboration could bring to their quest. Dumas Contracting Limited, based in Timmins, Ontario, Canada, is one of North America's leading mine shaft construction and engineering companies. During a meeting with the Oak Island team, Cameron Carter, the Vice President of Engineering and Business Development for Dumas, and Tony Linton, an in-house shaft sinking technical expert, presented their methodology for rehabilitating the garden shaft. Cameron explained the company's plan to refurbish the existing 10 by 10 wooden crib shaft, which currently extends to a depth of approximately 77.5 feet. The objective is to ensure the shaft's safety for further exploration while preserving its original structure. The project will begin by exposing the shaft collar and constructing a foundation. The team will then remove the backfill from the existing floor and reline the shaft to maintain its integrity. Additionally, they will inject grout into the surrounding soils to minimize water infiltration, ensuring the long-term stability of the excavation. Dumas plans to construct a manway section, making the shaft accessible for personnel. This development thrilled the Oak Island team, as it meant they would finally have the opportunity to descend into the shaft and explore it firsthand. As the project progresses, Dumas will conduct probe drilling while descending the shaft to identify and quantify any potential voids or offset chambers. These findings will help guide the exploration and potentially uncover critical targets within the structure. Cameron confirmed that the team could tunnel in any direction or elevation, which opens up numerous possibilities for further exploration. To allow safe access, Dumas will construct a concrete foundation around the existing structure, excavate it using a massive crane and hammer grab, and then reconstruct it with waterproof wooden timbers to a depth of at least 77 feet. This rehabilitation effort is expected to be completed within approximately 50 days, providing the Oak Island team with their first legitimate underground approach to the money pit area. The Oak Island team is enthusiastic about the opportunity to explore underground, a significant milestone considering that many before them had done so over the past 227 years. The rehabilitated garden shaft is expected to yield valuable insights into both the historical depositional phase and the activities conducted in the money pit over the centuries. The team expressed their excitement about the prospect of tracing the gold found in water samples and using that data to locate the treasure or uncover the truth about what transpired on the island. Rick emphasized the importance of getting underground, as first-hand observation often provides the most reliable data. With anticipation building, the Oak Island team looks forward to finally venturing into the depths of the garden shaft, hoping to unravel the mysteries of the money pit and potentially discover the legendary treasure. Dumas Contracting Limited's detailed proposal to rehabilitate the garden shaft represents a groundbreaking moment for the Oak Island team. With its reputation as one of North America's premier mine shaft construction and engineering companies, Dumas has brought not only expertise, but also a comprehensive plan designed to unlock new opportunities for exploration in the money pit area. This development has generated significant excitement among the team, as it offers the potential to delve deeper into Oak Island's mysteries in ways never before possible. The rehabilitation process begins with exposing the shaft collar, followed by the construction of a sturdy concrete foundation. This will establish a stable base for the project, ensuring safety and long-term viability. Using a massive crane and hammer grab, the team will carefully excavate the existing structure and replace it with waterproof wooden timbers. This meticulous approach will preserve the shaft's historical integrity while reinforcing its structural soundness. At 77.5 feet, the projected depth of the refurbished shaft, the team aims to create a secure environment for exploration, marking a significant milestone in the history of Oak Island investigations. One of the most exciting aspects of this project is the manway section that Dumas plans to construct, which will allow personnel to safely descend into the shaft. This access is a game-changer for the Oak Island team, who have long theorized about hidden tunnels and voids beneath the money pit area. As Cameron Carter explained during the presentation, Dumas will also conduct probe drilling while descending into the shaft to identify and quantify potential voids, offset chambers, or other anomalies. This data will help guide subsequent excavation efforts, enabling the team to focus on the most promising targets. Marty Lagina raised an intriguing question during the meeting, whether it would be possible to tunnel out from the shaft at various depths. Cameron confirmed that the team could indeed tunnel in any direction and at any elevation, opening up a range of possibilities for exploring new areas connected to the shaft. This flexibility is crucial, as previous discoveries, such as air bubbles and water samples containing traces of gold, suggest the presence of underground voids or tunnels that may hold clues to the island's legendary treasure. The Oak Island team is particularly eager to investigate these voids, as their connection to the garden shaft could lead to significant discoveries. The rehabilitation project will not only enable the team to explore these areas, but also provide critical insights into the original construction and use of the money pit. The opportunity to get underground and see these features firsthand is invaluable, as direct observation often yields the most reliable data. The broader implications of this project extend beyond the technical details. For the first time in their 10-year exploration, the team will have a legitimate, boots-on-the-ground approach to the money pit. This represents a shift in methodology, combining historical research, advanced technology, and direct exploration to uncover the island's secrets. As Rick Lagina aptly noted, understanding the past is essential to solving the mystery, and the garden shaft rehabilitation is a critical step in that journey. With the timeline of approximately 50 days to completion, anticipation is at an all-time high. The Oak Island team remains optimistic that this endeavor will bring them closer to the answers they've been seeking for over a decade. Whether it's uncovering evidence of historical activity, finding treasure, or simply gaining a deeper understanding of the island's enigmatic past, the rehabilitated garden shaft holds the promise of transformative discoveries.